Outstanding design defines the 2015 Subaru Forester. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as cruise control, leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.